Hi, it's Chris. Today we're going to install a new strike on your dishwasher. A very easy repair, just requires a couple of tools, and we need to pull the dishwasher from the opening just a small amount. You may want to remove the power, just so that as we're pulling the dishwasher out, there's no issue. Okay, so to replace your strike, and we've got the power removed, we're going to need to open the door, and however your dishwasher is attached, depending on your model, a lot of times there's just a screw here and here that attaches to your counter, or you may have some other mechanism for attaching it. So you just want to release your dishwasher. And once you've got that done, you're just going to slide your dishwasher forward just a little bit so that you can get at this part of your dishwasher. So to remove your strike, we're simply going to open the door. We're going to just with our 2 fingers press down on those outside tabs and slide that strike right out. Very easy to do. Now we just discard it. Take your new strike, slide it into that same slot, pushing it into place so that the back end of it goes into the slot here in the back of the rail. Till you hear that click, and the part's installed. Now we'll just close our door to make sure it latches properly. Make sure it unlatches properly, and your repair is complete.